Hello students, how are you? Did you watch the first chapter? Yes, that is about the boy and the grandfather. The first lesson is about boy and the grandfather. Today we are going to discuss a small poem about a boy and a little boy and a old man. Little boy and a old man. Let us see about the poet. About poet we will see something. The poet is Sheldon Allen. Poet's name is Sheldon Allen. Was an American poet, singer and cartoonist. He was a American poet. Sheldon Allen was a American poet and singer and cartoonist and also screenwriter and the author of children's books. Author of children's books. He is famous for his poems and theatre practices. He also famous for poems and theatre practices. Is a boy named Sue on the 1970 Grammy Award. He got the award, Grammy Award also. The little boy and the old man is taken from the book Words Alive, which includes a number of poems. Book Words Alive, which includes a number of poems. In that, his famous poem, The Little Boy and the Old Man. The poem is The Little Boy and the Old Man. Now, all of you look at your textbook. I will read the poem. All of you look at your book. Said the little boy, sometimes I drop my spoon. Said the little old man, I do that too. The little boy whispered, I wet my pants. I do that too, laughed the little old man. I do that too, laughed the little old man. Said the little boy, I often cry. The old man nodded, so do I. But worst of all, said the boy, it seems grown-ups don't pay attention to me. And he felt the warmth of a wrinkled old hand. I know what you mean, said the little old man. Can you understand anything? So, in this poem, the childhood memories, the childhood, same similarities happening in the poem in between old man and the little boy. What similarities or differences do you find between the little man and the old man? In the poem mentioned here, the differences or similarities between old man and the little child. So, in this first para, said the little boy, means here we can see the conversation between two persons, the child man and the old man. The conversation between two persons, the child and the old man. In this first line, said the little boy, sometimes I drop my spoon. Little boy saying that I will drop my spoon. In the childhood, you know that no strength in the hand. Sometimes anything holding in the hand, it will be fell down. So, here the little boy said that sometimes I drop my spoon. Sometimes I drop my spoon. Like that only, said the little old man. Like that only, old man saying that I do that too, means I also doing like that. Little child also doing like that. Old man also doing like that. So, similar activities here going on, both the child and the old man. Then, next line. The little boy whispered, I wet my pants. The little boy whispered. Whispered means saying in a low voice. Whispered means saying in a low voice. What he said? The little boy whispered, said that, I wet my pants. Sometimes small child or some small children urinate at time, they don't know that if their dresses are wet. If their dresses are wet, sometimes they don't know that. Means he said that I wet my pants. Child said that I wet my pants. Like that only the old man said that I do that too. Laughed and said the old man. What he said? If sometimes I wet my pants, like that who said? Child said. Like that only the old man also said, I also doing like that. I also wet my pants. Like that who said? Old man said. Another one, said the little boy, I often cry. Again little boy said that I often cry. Often cry means, often means here sometimes. I often cry. Sometimes I will cry. Means you know that without reason, for silly reason, children crying or child is crying. So here child said that I often cry. Means I will crying without reason. Sometimes I am crying. So again the little old man replying that the old man nodded. Nodded means shaking the hand, shaking the shaking the head and said that so do I also doing like that. I also crying, you also crying, I also crying. So both are both them activities are same here. Next what happened? The worst of all, said the boy. Boy saying that all are worst persons here. All are worst persons here. It seems other people are don't care about us. They are not caring about us. Grown-ups don't pay attention to me. And he felt the warmth of a wrinkled old hand. And old man touched him. With whom? The child. He touched the child and said that how was the hand? The warmth hand and the wrinkled hand. Wrinkled means you know that the skin is not a rough. It is a one type of the skin that is called wrinkled. Old age feature, that is the character of the old age, that is wrinkled and warmth hand here mentioned in the poem. And he felt the warmth of a wrinkled hand. Means then the old man touched him with the warm and wrinkled hand and said that I know what you mean. I know what you mean. I know that what you are saying, said the little old man. Means here old man said that he know boy's mind. Old man already passed some stages, the childhood, youth age or middle age, and he becomes now the old age. So here he said that I know what you mean, said the little old man. Means old man said that he know boy's mind. He can understand everything. This is the poem. In the poem, what we studied in the poem? The conversation between the child and the old man. Conversation between or similar activities between a child and the old man already we studied in this poem. Now going to the activities. Some questions are there. Let us going to the activities. First question, identify similar activities of the boy and the old man and write them down. What are the similar activities here? Similar means same activities or differences between a boy and the old man. What are the same activities? First one, both them are drop their spoons. First one, both them are drop them spoons and wet their pants and crying. Both them are drop their spoons, wet their pants and both them are crying. This is the similar activities. Next, I know what you mean. Why does the old man say so? I know what you mean. Like that old man said that. Why did the old man say so? Because the old man knows boy's pain. What are the problems going on in boy? So all that know old man because he is also facing the same problem. He is also facing the same problem or same situation. So I know what you mean, like that old man said. Third is the little boy or the old man satisfied? Is the little boy or the old man satisfied? Why? They are satisfied or not? Yes, both them are satisfied. Why? Because the boy is satisfied because he gets love and care from the old man. He gets love and care from the old man. The old man is satisfied because he could make the man happy. This is 3 question and answer. And next, the characteristics. Some old age, some describing characteristics also is there. For example, grey hair. Grey hair is the characteristics of old age. Grey hair is the characteristics of the old age or features of the old age. Like that, other examples we can find. We want to find other examples. For example, grey hair, okay, one. And what is the other characteristics of the old age, describing old age? Shivering hand, shaking the hand, shivering hand. And you know that wrinkled skin or wrinkled face and no teeth. These are all the characteristics of the old age, describing the old age words. Next, activity 3rd. Pick out lines from the poem and rewrite them in the form of a conversation. What's the meaning of conversation? 2 persons speaking each other. That is called conversation. Now, for one, there already wrote little boy saying. What little boy saying here? Sometimes I drop my spoon. Sometimes I drop my spoon. Again, old man. What is the reply of old man? I do that sometimes. I also doing that. I do that sometimes. And again, little boy. What little boy saying here? I wet my pants. And old man, I too do that too. Means I also doing that sometimes. And little boy, I often cry. Sometimes I will be crying. Old man, I also do that. And little boy, grown-ups don't pay attention to me. Again, old man said that I know your mind, I can understand you. This is the conversation between a child and the old man. So, this is a small poem about the conversation or same activities between a child and the old man. Thank you.